The Sage X3 software is a database for all of our history, of all of our inspections, all of the work that we're doing on these engines. We can go back, we can pull reports, we can see history, we can see what's coming in, we can be aware of the whole system of everything that's working together all in one piece of software.
The environment at Roush Yates Engines is very fast-paced. The implementation had a quick timeline for go live. Based on the your busy season and the race season, we knew we had a short window.
RKL Solutions has been very inquisitive during this process. They ask a lot of questions about our processes and our needs, and they find a solution within the software that works for us. So every solution that we have been given from RKL fits our specific business and our specific needs and is productive and useful every time.
Because of the diversity of the business and the fact that we wanted to grow the business, we realized that our current software wasn't capable of managing all the transactions.
What we've been able to accomplish since we've migrated to X3 from our previous software is actual cost valuation method. This enabled us to know exactly what our engines cost as we produce them.
Sage X3 has allowed us to eliminate duplicate databases and duplicate spreadsheets, allowing us, when we need to get information, to get it quickly. In the NASCAR business, that's really important to respond quickly because they don't move the race date for us. So Sage X3 is the right solution for us, being that we can go into one piece of software, get all the information that we need all in one place. We reduce errors by being able to put all of the data into one piece of software and have that traceability all the way back to the beginning from when we first placed a purchase order.
What excites the team at RKL Solutions is helping small to medium-sized businesses grow, making sure that we're adding value to them to help streamline processes, to help make life easier, and to use the technology tools that we're providing to help them do their job, to spend less time in the software and more time innovating and producing and taking care of their customers.